Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. Our camera person's away and just thought I'd shoot a quick little video. These are the fenders, and we have also the engine lid for the 1956 Volkswagen Beetle, the oval rear window. So earlier video we shared with you where the body was painted, the doors were back on and hanging on the car. And we just kind of walked around it briefly just to show you the paint work on the actual body. And then these are the actual fenders for that same car. And so we're in the booth right now, and I just thought I'd shoot a quick video before the noise gets loud in the shop when everybody's going. So these were sprayed yesterday. This is a base coat, clear coat. Paint finish, and it's a really nice black, obviously, pure black, and hopefully it shows up quite nice. This is obviously straight out of the gun. They haven't done any polishing or anything yet, which they'll do later on once it's on the car and assembled. We'll hang all the components, so you can see how nice the fenders turned out. And then we've got the engine lid over here. I'm just going to step back a little bit. Hopefully there's not too much reflection. You can see the overall finish. The bodywork is really, really nicely done. A lot of patience with the block sanding and getting everything nice and smooth as it should be. And then they've got the underside just as nice as the outside. Same thing with the doors and so on. They've got everything finished quite nice. A lot of attention to detail. So hopefully that turns out quite well. So in our next video, what we'll do is we'll share with you with the fenders, because we're going to install them on the car, and then we'll show you what the car, as it gets kind of exciting as it gets reassembled with all the panels. So these are the fenders and the engine lid for the 1956 Volkswagen oval rear window. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.